January 21st, the Silver Bullet Express money train is rolling. Choo choo, choo choo. Next stop, Moneyville. This train is sponsored by booking a seat in the VIP section of the Bandits Silver Bullet Money Train with only 25 seats available. Booking a seat number 1, Claude. Making a donation, supporting the channel. Seat number 1, Claude. Seat number 2, booking a seat with the donation, JP. And seat number 3, with the new donation, is Jason. In the VIP section, a Bandit's new Silver Bullet Express money train. Next up, Moneyville. Choo choo, choo choo. Bandits recap show for January 20th. Oh. You want to start with Bandits' four unit lock of the day play? You all had one opportunity, one chance to shut up Bandit. After he put out his video telling you all to step up, show some respect for the Bandit, show some support with donations. All you players out there making big money, taking advantage of the Bandit, you had one opportunity. Bandit loses his 4-unit play tonight. Oh. Phoenix, Utah, 4-unit play, $300 on it. Phoenix, money line, first half. 63-51 winner, Phoenix. Bandit's 4-0 now. His last 4-unit plays, 4-0. 4-0, free, 100% free. Are you getting out your credit card? Are you phoning up these professional sports cappers and giving them your credit card number, expiry date, paying them $30 a day for a play? No, you're coming here to Bandit, getting 4-unit locks. Name any professional site out there. They're giving out 4-unit locks for free and going 4-0. Go ahead, name it. Oh, you want to recap the rest of the night? Number 1 best play, Tennessee State, Western Carolina. Bandit on Western Carolina. 28-27 winner. Number 1 best play. What does Bandit say to you all? Look out for number 1 best plays, number 2 best plays, and 4-unit locks. Bandit's betting $100 to $300 a day on those plays. All the rest are half-unit plays. Okay? Everything else. Oh. Early bird special today. Fordham versus Davidson. Bandit on the plus points. Davidson, first half, take the plus points. They won outright, 38-29. Early bird special tonight. Free, 100% free. NHL hockey. Bandit's NHL hockey guy. He brought in the number one best NHL hockey sports capper in the world. Edmonton plus 130. Okay, winner. Edmonton 3-1 over Toronto. A plus 130 winner. What did Bandit's NHL hockey guy give last night? Columbus Blue Jackets in a must-win. Check the video. Fully documented. Bandit said, NHL guy says this is a must-win for Columbus Blue Jackets. When everyone else was on Detroit. Everybody was on Detroit. Must win. What happens? Columbus wins. 6-3. Bandits 5-2, going for 6-2 right now with St. Louis Blues. We're 11-5 NHL hockey, 100% free. Okay? Yesterday, what did Bandit do? 2-0 NHL hockey, late night special winner yesterday, January 19th. Number 1 best play winner. Okay, another number 1 best play. If it's not a 4-unit lock, Bandit's winning. It's a number one best play. Okay, all 100% free. What else? It was only a few days ago. Bandit was 7-0. 7-0. The only game he lost, he went 7-1. Was the late game. Hockey guy lost, went 7-1. But Bandit was 7-0. College football bowls. Bandit was 6-0. College football bowls. Okay, he lost the last two. It was 6-2. 100% free. How much were you paying these professional cappers for college bowl games? What, $100 a pick or for the weekend? Bandit was giving them out for free, 6-0. UFC, Max Holloway last weekend. Max Holloway, 175, free winner. Bandit has posted last week a 4-unit play, 4-unit lock on video, documented, making a $218 bet to win 426. It's there. Check them all. Check all the 4-unit plays. 4-0 the last 4-unit plays. 100% free. And no one's donating. Only Claude is donating. And JP occasionally. But Claude every day or every second day, Claude. Claude just sent a donation right now, tonight, with his phone number. Because he heard the video. Bandit giving you 1 week to start showing some respect. Start stepping up. Making donations. Or Bandit's going to shut down it. No, there's going to be no early bird specials. No late night specials. There's going to be no number one best play of the day to bet $100 to $300 on. And there's going to be no 4-unit locks. Bandit's going to... And JP's out there. JP, email Bandit tonight. And send me your phone number. Because next week, no one steps up in a week. Bandit's going to be shutting down it all. There's all going to be all half-unit plays. That's it. That's all you're going to have. It's half-unit plays. And you're going to play the fade or no fade game. And Bandit's just going to text Claude and JP every day his number one best play. And if he has a 4-unit play. We're just going to text him his best play of the day. That's it. And all the rest of you are going to be playing half-unit plays. That's it. That's what it's come to. You don't know what you're dealing with. Show me any sports capper out there with a record like Bandit. Show me. For free. They put out 10-minute videos. And what do? 9 minutes upselling. They upsell you for 9 minutes, right? They put out 1 pick a day. Bandit's putting out 10, 15, 20 picks a day. 10, 15, 20. And he even tells you, fade the half units, fade them. Bandit's 2 and 8, 2 and 9, fade. But what does Bandit say? Watch out for the number one best plays and watch out for the 4 units. And what happened? 4 units, 4-0. Tonight, 4 unit, $300 Bandit has on it. I tell you. Bandit's big believer in karma. That's why he's putting these out. It's karma. He puts them out. He wins his big place. It's karma. But doesn't like to see all this taken advantage. Okay, you're taking advantage, all you out there. All you players making big money. Even flip a coin. You flip a coin players out there making money. There's players out there fading flip a coin was like 0-6, 0-7. You're making money. Are you making donations? No. There's only been 4 donations. Okay? Tonight, Jason's new. Chris was new. Jason made one donation tonight. Chris made a donation, 1. JP's made multiple donations, like 5 or 6. And Claude's made since January 5th, Claude's made 10, 11 donations. Okay? And where are the rest of you? Are you making donations? No one else is making donations. Actually, I'll tell you how many donations they made. I could tell you right now. Oh, this is on. Where is it? I'll tell you exactly what they made. Donations they made. Okay, here we go. You want to see this? Okay, we'll do this. All right. JP, December 23rd. Okay? I won't say the amounts. January 2nd, January 10th, January 16th, and January 20th, JP. Okay? Chris, January 17th, Chris made a donation. Okay? Jason made a donation January 20th. Okay? These are the donations. Okay? Claude, January 5th, January 9th, January 12th, January 14th, January 15th, January 17th, January 18th, January 19th, January 20th. What's today? 21st? Claude just made a donation just now, like midnight. Okay? January 21st, Claude. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Claude's made 10 donations since January 5th. And JP's made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 donations since December 23rd. Chris, 1 donation. Jason, 1 donation. And where are the rest of you? And you're wondering why Bandit's upset? Because you're not showing respect or saying that you're all taking advantage? 4-0, the last 4 units. Where are you? Tonight even, where are you donating? How many of you were on that play, 4-unit play? You know Bandit has $300 on it. How many are you going to donate? Oh, what? Claude's going to donate? JP's going to donate? Maybe one other person? And he's 4-0? He was 7-0 a few days ago, Bandit. Today, number 1 best play. How many of you were on the number 1 best play today? How many were you on the number 1 best play yesterday and the late night special? How many were you on the early bird special today? How many of you are on NHL plays? 6-3 NHL guy. Bandit 6-2. 11, 5-2, going for 6-2. 11-5 NHL. And you're all wondering, oh, whoa, why is this guy getting upset? You're all taking advantage. That's why. You got 1 week. I'm telling you, you got 1 week. If things don't change, that's fine. Bandit, you think Bandit cares? He doesn't care. It's what? It's karma for Bandit. Good karma. Bandit will just text JP every day. Text and text Claude every day. And if anyone else want to send Bandit money first, then you'll get his place. You'll get his number 1 plays 4-unit locks. But this is not right. You know? It's not right. You don't know. You don't know. Check Bandit's record. Just check and compare it with these other sport pro cappers. How many of them putting out 10, 15, 20, you know? Bandit put out 30 videos, 20 videos. Well, I have a list of that too. Where is it? Let's see. Oh, you want some more records? Here we go. Here we go. December 22nd, 20 videos, 1,463 views. December 23rd, 29 videos, 34 videos, January 6th, 35 videos, December 15th, 31 videos, December 18th, 35 videos, December 19th, 780 views, 31 videos, Monday, when's that? December 21st. Bandit's got all the records. He knows what you're doing and you're all doing, how you're taking advantage and all the views. He knows. Okay, you got a week to step up, show some support, show some respect to Bandit and Claude and JP. You know, because you're all just taking advantage. And if you don't like Bandit saying, fine. What he's saying, fine. Then don't, you know, what's Bandit got to lose? What am I? I'm the one with all the picks. I'm the one with all the plays. What are you going to do to me? I'm making my money. I'm only putting these out from the goodness of my heart, the good karma to come back. Claude understands. He's donating every day, every second day. Bandit doesn't expect it every day or every second day, but Claude's winning. You don't think Claude had Phoenix tonight? 4-unit? You don't think Claude had the #1 best play tonight? Didn't have the #1 best play yesterday? Bandit doesn't even put out 4-unit locks every day. Did Bandit put out a 4-unit lock yesterday? Nope. He put one out today, and it's a blowout winner. Where's my game here? I had a game for today. Where is it? I had a game. Oh, okay, here. San Jose State, New Mexico. It's not the early bird special or anything. Man is too upset to make any picks, but gotta put one out with this video. New Mexico, -6, full game. Play New Mexico, -6, full game. Moneymaker out.